I don't know anyone who enjoys traffic jams or fires that start in any situation. They cause frustration, stress, and inconvenience regardless of the situation. These disruptions can impact daily life, safety, and well-being, making them universally unwelcome experiences that people typically strive to avoid. I think we can all agree with this. The wrong tools can create traffic jams and start fires, which lead to further issues and breakdowns. Did you know your body seeks for the right tools to work with? We are presently covering important information about food, which is a huge topic, but ranks down there at 4% of the body's need in its importance compared to air at 98% and water at 70%. Welcome back to this webinar presentation series, I Am Fearfully and Wonderfully Made, which has 8 self-healing requirement categories. I am Catherine DeRose, your host and health minister, teaching on physiological nutrition. And since we are both physical and spiritual beings, I incorporate many biblical concepts covering your spiritual health as well. Let's read our primary verse before we get to our topic today. I will praise thee, for I am fearfully and wonderfully made. Marvelous are thy works, and that my soul knoweth right well. Psalm 139, verse 14. Today's topic involves the food category of fruit. The fruit category is a fun one because they are indeed nature's vibrant and nutritious gifts that many enjoy, offering a rich array of vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and phytonutrients that support health, boost immunity, and enhance overall well-being. Their colorful appearances and delicious flavors are not only a delight to our senses, but also contribute to a balanced diet, helping to prevent diseases and promote fitness and rejuvenation. Embracing a variety of fruits can be a delightful way to nourish the body and enjoy the many benefits of nature's bounty. So what is an antioxidant? It is a natural chemical substance such as vitamin E, vitamin C, or beta-carotene that is thought to protect our body cells from the damaging effects of oxidation. What are phytonutrients? Well, they are plant nutrients offering a range of health benefits including enhanced immunity, detoxification, and a lowered risk of age-related conditions like osteoporosis, heart disease, and diabetes, highlighting the importance of consuming a variety of plant-based foods for overall well-being, supported by a published 2017 review. And I think it's interesting that there are 5,000 identified phytonutrients.
Antioxidants exactly? How do they help fight free radicals and eventually assist in staying healthy? Antioxidants are compounds that protect human cells from damage caused by the overproduction of molecules called free radicals. Antioxidants are naturally produced by our bodies but can also be absorbed through diet. There must be a balance between free radicals and antioxidants for our bodies to work properly. Otherwise, too many free radicals might lead to cellular damage detrimental to our health. But what are free radicals exactly? Free radicals are highly reactive compounds that can only become stable when they bind to other atoms, molecules, or ions. Because of that, they can often attack healthy cells, which may lead to damage. But why are free radicals so reactive? It's because of their unstable molecular structure. Free radicals are different from other molecules because they have missing electrons from their structure. As a result, they try to become stable by stealing electrons from nearby molecules in order to fill their electron shell.
Here are a few facts about fruit worth knowing. Fruits are often considered cleansers due to their internal cleansing effect. Fiber has a big part in this action. Fruit is energizing. Fruit digests quickly, providing less wear and tear on our body's vital organs because they flush out toxins from the liver and kidneys. Their abundance in soluble dietary fiber aids in the removal of bad cholesterol and fats from the body while promoting regular bowel movements and offering relief from constipation. More on fats another time, and more on fiber another time. They are beneficial for detoxification due to their high content of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, which can support the body's natural cleansing processes. Fruits are not only low in calories and fat, but also rich sources of simple sugars that include fiber and essential vitamins that play a crucial role in optimizing our health. Within fruits lie a plethora of antioxidants, including the colors and flavors. These compounds serve a dual purpose: shielding the human body from oxidative stress, diseases, aging, and cancers, as well as enhancing the body's ability to combat these ailments by providing a cushion for our immune system. Fruits boast remarkably high of antioxidant values measured by something known as oxygen radical absorbent capacity, or ORAC, which is the action of measuring antioxidants and their performance and how well antioxidants are absorbed. You can find more information on the flavonoids or plant colors and their flavors on my Genesis Health blog.wordpress.com. It will be found on the Home tab under Color Me Beautiful series, and you can read about those colors and their benefits.
So, we need to consume foods that will give our bodies the tools to prevent this type of damage. The higher the ORAC value, the more protection we have. One of the benefits of fruit is that it hydrates so well. It hydrates because it has a higher content of water that is infused with the complete package of vitamins and minerals that our bodies need. If you recall your body's many cries for water episode, you will remember that we discussed how water has a need for companions. Please watch that video to gain greater understanding of why. It has great visuals. Fiber is a fruit and vegetable tissue that plays a crucial role in maintaining healthy digestion, regulating blood sugar levels, and supporting heart health. Consuming an adequate amount of fiber is important for overall wellness, helping to prevent constipation and promotes a feeling of fullness. Did you know that the timing of eating your fruit matters?
What if you ate fruits on an empty stomach instead of after meals? Fruit moves through your digestive system in just 20 to 30 minutes, while regular meals need 3 to 4 hours. Eating fruit as dessert traps it behind slow-moving proteins and fats. The result? Fermentation, uncomfortable bloating, and excess gas. On an empty stomach, everything changes. Nutrients flood your system immediately. You get instant energy, superior vitamin uptake, and complete digestive comfort. Every antioxidant and enzyme gets absorbed efficiently without competition. Ever wonder why dessert makes you feel heavy and tired, but morning fruit leaves you refreshed and alert? That's the timing difference at work. Start your day with fruit tomorrow and experience it yourself.
So, your tip number 1 is to eat fruit first before cooked food.
Just like most of us need a companion for a multitude of reasons, plants work the same way. Not only in the garden, but also when they are consumed. Certain nutrients work together while others hinder progress. You may not have been taught this concept before or even considered it, but combining compatible companion fruits or the right pairing is very important knowledge. As briefly covered already, in gardening, certain plants stimulate other plants to grow well and even thrive, while others hinder growth. Knowing those companions are important for a successful garden. Here is an illustration for those who are visual learners like me. Mixing acidic and sweet fruits may cause bloating. Combining starchy and protein-rich fruits can lead to indigestion. And melons should be eaten alone to avoid fermentation. Well, why is that? They digest more slowly due to their higher starch and protein content. If you experience any bloating or gas, or even acidosis, it is like throwing 2 logs of different burning speeds into the same fire. They don't burn evenly. Try finding a pair that blends well together. Combining starches and acids creates a type of traffic jam. And who likes those? Eating fruit would be a great beginning to your new health journey. Next time, we will discuss another food category and how it benefits our body's internal intelligence, giving it tools to provide an atmosphere for self-healing.
When we eat, it is important to remember this verse. Let's read this together. Whether, therefore, ye eat or drink, or whatsoever ye do, do all to the glory of God. 1 Corinthians 10, verse 31.
I pray this episode has been helpful to you and your health journey. Until next time, I would like to close with this verse. I have set before you life and death, blessing and cursing. Therefore choose life, that both thou and thy seed may live. Deuteronomy 30, verse 19.